Hey, what's going on, guys? PGN here. In this video I will continue working on my array-based mode generator. I'm so sorry for kind of like skipping quite pretty important video, but it turned out that I forgot to turn on the mic during recording that about 2-hour session of live coding. That was a bit unfortunate, to be honest. So probably before I start, I just want to quickly show what kind of like the current development stage and the state, and briefly walk through what did I add, and then we'll go actually coding the mode generator, the core of the chess engine itself. So I've disabled the bitboards, and now I'm doing my own array-based one with the hope that with the current implementation it should be faster compared to current existing implementations of Xiangqi Stockfish derivatives that are actually extremely slow in terms of mode generation. So without further ado, let's actually start. So let's start by actually building and running the engine. So I'm just using some custom breakpoints here. I've been demonstrating that I've already enlarged the word array, and I already do initialize the word array from the FEN string. And if, let's say, I say position start pause moves and some placeholder, it would start the mode generator, so it's already available, and it now generates moves for pawns. So see, like a3 goes to a4, c3 to c4, and so on. And as far as it didn't yet cross the river, it's not going sideways. And if I just say position, no, sorry, it's not right over in there. This is the FEN. So this is the custom FEN. Position FEN. So let's just, and let's say moves like this. So you see, it now generates c5 to b5, c5 to b5, c5 to c6. So this is the c5 to c6 going forwards, capturing opponent's pawn, which is okay, but also going sideways, left and right. That's the nature of pawns when they do cross the river. So river is this, so here is the river in CNC, in Chinese chess. So now let's very quickly walk through the update. So in the types, I've pasted a bunch of data structures taken from my Wukong CNC. So if we just go to, so here, here are the data structures I've grabbed. I've changed them slightly bit to fit this C++ syntax, and also changed this one to fit the different board NDNs that is used in Stockfish. Stockfish uses the opposite board NDNs compared to what I had in Wukong. Also, here I've added the types of advisor and black and white king. And also I've added the cannon as the piece type. Still leaving the queen, because if I get rid of this, it gives tons of errors. So just for now, I just keep the queen to avoid those errors. But really, all the pieces we need are here, including the non-piece type. And then, well, every time when we call position start pause moves or position FEN moves, and then the move, I just use some placeholder for now. That actually what invokes the move validation, and within that move validation, so here in the threads.h file, where is threads.h, we have a loop. So we do generate a moves, and then we just ask the question whether the move the user has entered actually is available within the current move list that has been generated, and if so, then it allows to make a move on board. But I'm not doing that at the moment. I'm just using this as the shortcut to run the generate moves routine. So that's the reason why I go for this position start position FEN and FEN and then moves, and then it just starts generating the moves. So here within the mode generator, here is the entry point. So Stockfish would be generating legal moves by default, but I'm gonna alter this to simplify the code, the structure, and all this stuff. So I would be my generator would be the pseudo legal one, and the matter of checking the move legality would be left for the make move function, which in Stockfish is called do move. So that would be altered as well. So just commenting out the Stockfish's code here, and here just running my own routine. So here is my routine to generate moves. I've partially already written something, and here is the this is the temporary array to just to print the moves in coordinate notation. So not the square indices, because they don't really tell you much. It's hard to debug, but with this actual square names, it's really the UCI format that we use, and later on I will reuse this format within the UCI module itself to actually output the UCI moves. So what we do here, we do loop over all of the board squares, so from A1 and up to the square numbers, 154 in our case, because that's the 11 by 14 board representation, square number for CNC, assuming this sort of a layout for boards. So axes are kind of like the off-board squares that are needed in order to make sure that the pieces are not jumping from one rank to another. So that's the casual way, what is known as the mailbox in chess programming. So what do we do here? So looping over all of the moves, then I'm just using some helper arrays. So I've also defined this so yeah, so so I've added this, guys. So starting from here, so board zones. So just to keep track of, the king can go from the palace. So this is the palace for black and for red king respectively. This ones represent your side of the board. So let's say bishops can't really cross the river. So that's another reason. And let's say when pawn is crossing the river, it can move sideways. So not but on its own side, it can only go forwards. Okay, so what else? The directions. So it's nothing special. So this is the code that I've copy pasted and slightly altered from my Wukong CNC engine, here and here and here and up to here. Okay, and then also piece type and piece color helper arrays to extract the piece type and the color from the current given piece, and this is just needed for performance reasons. So the move generator is going much faster and code is much cleaner with this sort of a setup. If you're interested how this works in particular, just it's easier to see this not within the Stockfish but within my Wukong CNC engine, which would be available. The link for it would be available down below this video in the description. So without further ado, I really hope that at least in this case I do actually record. Okay, sound, yeah, seems like, because yeah, like recording 2 hours and then realizing that you forgot to turn on the mic, it's a bit of a pain. Okay guys, so next thing would be to generate moves for kings and advisors. So let's go for it basically, and probably just to not getting overwhelmed by other pieces, so I just disable this pawn move generation. So we have the piece type of king or advisor, so this should be the integer. Okay, so offsets, so this would be the integer as well, and target square, this is the square type, target piece, this is the piece type, so source square plus offset. So we need to make this offset to be the type of square to avoid type errors, and target piece, I just need to say, like in Stockfish's manner, so pause dot piece on and target square, like this. Sorry, just been a little bit distracted. My cats are going a bit crazy today. Well, actually, as always, as they always do. So offset, this should be square, source square should be the type of square already. Yeah. Okay. sorry, just my cat is trying to steal some food, and I probably can do nothing to that. Okay, so target piece and board zones, side target square. I don't want to push the move at the moment, but instead I want to print the source and the target squares. So let's see if it compiles. I really doubt about this, but here we go. Okay, push move. Oh, just need to comment out this part. I'm not dealing with encoding and decoding moves yet, so this is left for the further. Okay, orthogonals length. Okay, so I need to specify this. Control F, orthogonals. So it's 4. So I need to specify this manually. One day I will probably make it in a fancy way like Stockfish does, with all the bells and whistles like types, etc. But for now, feels like enough. Okay, so invalid conversion in pointer to. Are you kidding me, man? So what's wrong with the orthogonals? Hold on, now this is really getting a bit strange. Support zones. So which line? 393. This line. Piece type equals to kin. So we use either orthogonals or diagonals. Oh. It should be in pointer. In JavaScript, this is done automatically. It's getting converted to into integer pointer, but yeah, in C++ we definitely need to do this by hands. From const int pointer to int pointer. It's probably because I've defined that as the constant here. Yeah, I just defined them as a constant still. From integer to square. Okay, so source square, target square. Mogen, target square. So I need to say square. And offset direction, source square. Hold on a sec. From integer to invalid conversion, then this one. But if I don't do this, yeah, this is a little bit weird. From okay, from integer to Stockfish square. So this offsets indexed by the direction. It should be, that's the integer, right? Right. So offsets is either diagonals or orthogonals or diagonals, and these are the integers, right? So why I can't? So maybe I need to make it like this. I don't know. So why it doesn't get converted to square? Okay. I thought this would be fast, but this is C++. Okay, can be fast. Target square. So this is just a typo. Okay. Source target. Oh, this is how I done it. Not sure if this is gonna be working, but if this works, this might be a good thing. Yeah, oh my god, thank god this works. So yeah, now I just made it a type from integer to the square type. Yeah, so I guess it's just fine to get this operator plus because it has been defined here. Some fancy thing that I don't understand fully, to be honest. Okay, so let's go position, start, pause, moves, and okay, we have some move being generated, so let's have a look. So D0 to E1, so this is advisor. So D0 to E1, not going here because not going off board. Okay, E0 to D0. What? E0? Hold on a sec. That's horribly wrong. Okay. E0 to F0. Why the king going sideways? Capturing on bishops. This is so strange. Come on. My mode generator in Wukong City worked perfectly well. This is probably... Or did I actually... Come on, don't tell me that I did handle this in the push move. Don't tell me this, please. Oh man. Don't tell me that I did handle it. Yeah, I did handle the matter of capturing own pieces within this push move. This is really unfortunate. This is really unfortunate. So I just didn't push the move in case. Yeah, that was some sort of an optimization for. That was the optimization that I've used for Wukong CNC. So yeah, the matter of not capturing own pieces. So I do encode the move. Target piece is available, then we encode the capture, and otherwise we encode the com move. But in both cases, the condition of the color of the piece is gonna be the opposite. Otherwise, it's just not gonna be working. It's not gonna be pushing the moves. Okay. Well, I could have grabbed this function as well. Okay, it's getting a little bit of a pain. So I just want to have a look at how the moves are getting pushed to the move list. Make move is not what I used to understand by the make move. It probably just encodes the move. Make move, it's probably here. Okay, yeah. Yeah, but the way I can actually use this, this is what I call encode move. But I'll need to alter. I also need to I also store some additional information within the move, unlikely to what Stockfish do, so probably just trying to make my own instead. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so let's go for this. Let's go for this, for grabbing this push move. By the way, okay, another thing. So do I have any MVVLV stuff or move score? Nope. Nope. Just where does Stockfish score the move? I guess not here. Just sorry guys, just really want to have a quick look at the code. So make promotions. So just incrementing the pointer to the move list. Make. Okay. Sorry guys, just my cats playing with each other. It's total insane stuff. So somehow it feels like pointer to the move list. It's a bit strange notation. Does it mean that the value of the move list gets incremented? Or in C++ this means something different than in C? I don't even know. So it seems like just encoding the promotion move, encoding the promotion move type, make move here. Oh, move make with a type like promotion. Yeah, so they just encode moves. They just split the routines to encode the moves into many small ones. Okay, it's not a big deal. Still, it doesn't seem that. Well, I'm just a little bit confused regarding the move scoring for move ordering purposes for research, but at the moment probably I just cannot be bothered with this stuff. This definitely would need to be added in future, but at the moment, so here we generate pseudo-legal moves. And I think this might be a void. Sorry, because it's not really returning anything, right? Okay, so if target not empty but no piece. This one should be position side to move, target piece. Okay, and here so here we want to print F, so this is the capture. Okay, so I need the capture flag as well, and let's just print source square and the target square, and here have a quiet move. So I don't yet encode the move, don't yet provide that routine even. Quiet move encode, and here is my logic to push moves into the move list, and this is for move scoring, so this is not needed for a while. So probably Stockfish is doing this somehow different. I can actually still, depending on how it, this, you know, really lots of interesting plenty rooms for experimenting, I need to say. Okay, so would you please now allow me, okay, let's just try to compile and fix the errors. Only capture was not declared in this scope. Oh, whoa. I need the types. Pointer to the move list, this is still there. I also need this position. Okay. Position only captures is the bool type, boolean type. Source square is the square type. Target square is the square type. Source piece is piece type, and target piece is the piece type. Okay. Yeah, also need to adjust, would need to adjust the types as well. Let was not declared, let move. Yeah, let's not deal with this for a while. Move list type X move pointer. This is the Stockfish specific type. And here I need to use coordinates. Yeah. Because I really want to, not the square itself, but the string representation. So let's see how more errors, how more warnings this time. So unused move list, okay, unused source piece. Okay, yes. It's fine. They would be used when I go for encoding them. They would get used. Okay. Okay. So position, start, pause, moves. And what do we have now? Hold on a sec, wait. One more little thing. Yeah, now I have the same because I don't call this sort of a function, so the output is the same as previously. And yeah, let's start with the pawn moves. Anyway, so I don't need this anymore. Yeah, so push move. So square target piece. Okay, this one, source piece. So this would be position piece on source square like this. Yeah, should be fine. Okay, invalid initialization. Can't Stockfish from. Okay, I need to pass the position as well. Okay, seems like we do compile. Okay. Start pause moves. Okay, just it's almost fine. I just want to add the new lines. And really good news, guys, really good news. So yeah, for some reason I did keeping track of whether it captures zone piece or enemy piece here, just to generalize this sort of a logic slightly a little bit. And this is much better from the performance perspective. Okay, so yeah, I also definitely need to check that, because moves are still generated, but we just don't encode them. That's it. So position, start pause moves. Okay, quiet moves A3, A4, C3, C4. So A, C, E, G, I, A, C, E, G, I from 3 to 4. Good. Okay, awesome. Just awesome. So now the next thing to consider would be to make it for this guys as well. So position here, pause piece on source square, target square only captures. Here we go. So now, yeah, a little bit of a downside that I actually can command out here. I can command out here if I don't want to print them. Yeah, but on the other hand, well, at the moment it's not that critical really, so okay. So I'm interested. Yeah, now only 3 moves. This is correct. This is correct. So we have E0 to E1, E0 to E1, D0 to E1, F0 to E1, D0 to E1, F0 to E1. So Kin no longer captures its own advisors. So this is really good thing. Okay, so this is really good. This is really nice. So generally it feels like this sort of an approach kind of works. So yeah, again, like I probably for now I just can not push in this moves. Yeah, just kind of avoid pushing this moves at the moment, and add move generation for other pieces. So it's all about the same. So square, source square plus source square. We don't have offsets here. Huh. Oh yeah, because it's the only, yeah, so this is fine. So I want to say square and like this. Jump over, so integer. Probably will need to convert this to integer. I'm not sure, but as far as the source square is a square type. Oh my god, my cat is driving me crazy, really. Okay, and here, target piece, this is the piece type. board target square, so pause piece on, and the target square like this. And just to make this a little bit more visible, board, nope, position piece on. I'm not going to be checking all the move generation, all the moves being generated precisely at the moment, as though that would be left for the perf testing. For now, I just want the proof of concept that it actually does generate the moves, and then especially that I can actually populate the move list. That's something something the most important at the moment, actually. Okay. And also I need to figure out where exactly the move scoring is done. That's another tricky thing to figure out. So push, move, source square, target square, here, position, piece on, source square, target square only captures. Okay, so invalid reference. No. Oh man. Suggest parenthesis around comparison. Target piece, no piece. Where do you suggest this? 364. Oh, that's what? Oh, I didn't even see that warning. So like this, I guess. So should be one warning less now. Are you kidding me? Wait. Oh, it's just. Hold on a sec. Piece color equals. Nope. Hey, compiler, stop kidding me. I can do it like this, but not as you suggested, because the logic would be broken then. Okay, unused move piece, unused. So okay, let. Right. Yeah, sure. So here we have the integer type. Bishop move offset length. Bishop move offset length 1, 2, 3, 4. Invalid conversion from int to square. 4, 4, 6. Okay, this one. Oh, empty. What have I done? There should be no piece. Did I use this no piece before? Nope. Jump over from int to square. But which one? Hold on, piece on is the type of piece, it's not the type of square. No piece is available. Yeah, it exists. Here it is. Yeah, I just feel a little bit tired already. Just can't get where do I have the conversion of integer into this type of the square. You're in this. Oh, jump over. This should be type of square, and this should be square, and this should work. Yeah? Okay. And invalid. Okay, probably, yeah, just didn't specify the position here. Yeah, now to compile. Target piece, source piece, unused variables. Okay. Positions, start, pause, moves. And from B0 to D2, from H0 to F2, here are the moves. Hey, it's not enough. There should be up to 2 moves for every bishop. This looks strange. So B0 and H0, B0, H0. Oh, hold on a sec. What? These are the knights. Hold on a sec. What did just happen? Yeah, this feels really wrong. Type bishop. What's wrong with the bishop type? Oh, whoa. Run order. This is a bit of a pain. Okay, let's see. Let me see my order. Yeah, pawn, advisor, bishop, knight, cannon, rook. Yeah, so bishop should be before the knight, and cannon should be before the rook. This is absolutely essential. So cannon before the rook. It's the matter of piece strength in Chinese chess CNC, and actually this order, you see, like without this, it would just be picking up completely wrong pieces. So bishop should be 0, 1, 2, 3, should be encoded as 3. That's absolutely essential. I really hope Stockfish related code won't get affected by this. I would be depressed if that happens. Okay, so let's compile. Yeah, okay. But anyway, we're very pretty close to having this. Okay, still compiles. So I just want to have a look. So with this move list from, and this is just for 2 square. So I guess this is the way to initialize the move list. And the only thing that I'm really a bit worried about is the size of the move within the move list. Generate moves. So where is the move stored? Generate. Mogen. Next move. Struct move list. Bool contains move. Explicit move list. I just can't see the size of move. Where is that defined? Sorry guys, I'm just a little bit distracted. It's not what we currently do. Yeah, these are the move flags. Yeah, this is just no flags because it's 0. Okay. Move needs 16 bits to be stored. In my case, I'll need 32 bits because I'm really storing lots of stuff. I just can't see the size of the move. Okay, we'll deal with this later on. So positions, start, pause, moves. And now it's correct, right? Now we have the bishops actually. So C2 goes to A2 to E2, C0 to A2 to E2. Hold on a sec. I also need to check to change. Yeah, now they generated moves are generated correctly, but here we have a bit of a disaster. So also cannons and rooks are misplaced, I believe. Yeah, rooks and cannons are misplaced. So it should be cannon here and bishop here. It should be knight here, rook here, save, quit, and make. And what's the size of the move list? Oh, here it is. X move. Yeah, I'm not sure where exactly it has been stored. Oh, this is it. X move list. Yeah, here it is. Here is just a private field. Oh, this move list struck. Okay. I need the size, and the type is move. The type is move. And value. This is probably for move scoring. I might be wrong though. Operator move, const, return move. It also has its own little interface. Seems a little bit complicated. Inhibit and want an implicit conversion to move with an ambiguity that yields to compiler. So move. It's the type. Move is the type. Is it this move? If I have a look at the fairy stockfish. Hold on, guys, just okay. Just want to have a look at the fairy stockfish. Oh, I have this here. Yeah, types H. Move. The first occurrence. So yeah, Fabian didn't change this stuff, but he did change probably. Well, anyway, so move is an integer. It didn't specify like uint 16, right? So it should be enough bits there to store. So this seems like a conversion, like a convention, not like a fixed number of bits to use to store to encode a single move. Okay. So I just wanted to print. Yeah, now cannons are on its own where they should be. Bishops, this black pieces, rooks. Okay. Position, start, pause, moves. So C0 goes to E2, goes to A2, goes to E2. G0 goes to E2. G0 goes to I2. Awesome. Just awesome. Okay. And I believe that how this add move. So it seems like that this plus plus operator has its own specific value here in Stockfish's source code. It's at least very different from the default behavior in C. I'm not sure if this is the C++ specific, or maybe we can also do this in C as well. Not really sure, but in C, like if we increment before and increment after, there is a slight difference, but here it seems like a totally different logic behind that. So like some sort of a custom macro to apply with this operator. So it goes to the pointer of, it feels like incrementing the self pointer or something. Well, in the context of the move list, how it's used, it feels really like the move list pointer is shifted to the next element. I might be wrong though, guys. These are just my assumptions. Okay, let's get back to our code. So what else do we need? And I feel like I would be able to get rid of all of this code soon. Not now. Not now, really. Okay. So let's go for the rest two piece types, knights and cannons. And then we'll just end this video here. And I'll probably go to sleep because I really kind of like feel completely exhausted. So we have the direction. So maybe this should be the square type again. Square. Orthogonal length is 4. Board is position piece on. No piece. integer. Target square is the square type. Square like this. Yeah, and by the way, it feels like I reuse all of this index in here, which is really good. Then target piece is the piece type. Position piece on the target square. If target piece is not equal to off board, then position source target position piece on, and let's have a look at the errors. Okay, square 458. Typo. All this unused guys have from above. Yeah, I think so. There should be two of them, right? Yeah, twice target piece, yeah. So, position, start, pause, moves. And the knights. Yeah, it's I believe this is just fine, but yeah, it's really good idea to get rid of, to get out of the rest of moves, and I'm not going to be doing now. So B0 to A2 and to C2. B0 to A2 and to C2, and H0 to G2 and to I2. To G2 and to I2. Yeah, this is it. Cool. This is really it. Okay, this is nice. So, okay. Okay, guys, so just for now, I will collect warnings a little bit, but I really don't want to be distracted by unnecessary information that I don't really need regarding the previously generated moves. Okay, so piece, so integer direction, orthogonal length is 4, target square, square type, square, okay, jump over, yeah, in this case it can be integer, I believe. While position piece on target square is not equal to off board piece target piece position piece on target square. Okay, if jump on all rook moves and piece color, okay, so position. Oh, it also generates moves for rooks, not only for cannons. Well, this is nice. So position piece on source square, cannon, target piece, no piece, push move, position, piece on, yeah, this is nice. It was really not that easy, not that trivial to debug when I was writing this initially in JavaScript, trust me guys. It was a little bit of a pain to debug, but I was so happy when I actually had my very first Chinese chess move generator that I've written completely on my own. So this is just the 100% original source code. And I was really proud of this. And that's the reason why I want to reuse this along with the Stockfish. That's one of the reasons. So this code is really quite pretty fast, even in JavaScript. So in C this should be light fast really. Okay. This might result in issue. And I think this should be done square. Let's count errors. So 479 square. Okay, just a typo. 479. 494. Oh, just typos. Cool. 494. Whoa! Did I really manage? Oh my god, I really managed to write all this stuff without errors. Yeah! Coma kicking rules. Okay. Fantastic. Okay guys, so now hopefully we're gonna see moves generated for rooks. So positions, start, pause, moves. Oh my god, yeah. All right, so again, like position, start, pause, moves. I'm so damn proud of this. All right, yeah. So let's have a look. So A0, which is the rook, so A0 goes to A1, A2, and that's it. And I0 goes to I1 and I2, and that's it. Now capturing on piece, good. And now the cannons, so cannon from B2, this one, B2 goes to A2, C2, goes to A2, goes to C, D, E, F, and should be G, and G2, right? So up to here, not capturing on piece, B2, and then goes to B3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then can capture on B9. Oh man, this is fantastic. Okay, and then goes to B1 and B2 and B1. So goes to B2. Oh, hold on a sec. What is that? No, it's probably another piece already. B1, B9 capturing and go into B1. This one goes backwards. And then H2, yeah, that's correct. So goes to G, F, E, D, C. G, F, E, D, C, not capturing on B. Okay. Go into I2, right? Going right. H3, 4, 5, 6, and captures on 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, captures on 9. Oh my god, how I love this stuff. H2 goes to H1. Yeah, we did it, guys. Okay, can you believe this? We have a move generator. Well, it's not yet the entire move generator. Lots of things needs to be done still, but the core routine to actually generate the moves is now, we now already have that. So yeah, I will also need to think about how to encode the moves, all of this kind of stuff, and debug all that stuff as well. But anyway, already it's really great. This is so great. So yeah, now the very last thing for this video, I'll just uncommand all the moves, generate them, and then I just count the number of moves, and then generate in some of my other engines, in my Wukong CNC, literally. and just compare the number of moves being generated for initial position. And for another little position as well. So almost done. We're almost done. So by the time it's compiling, so yes, I don't need all the stuff anymore. I don't need all this stuff. I just need I need some beer, actually. Unfortunately, I don't have one, and it's too late to go to buy some. It's almost midnight, damn. Okay. Okay. Well, actually, I have a little surprise. I have some whiskey-like drink. So I think, guys, we can celebrate. I don't know, maybe Google would ban me for drinking alcohol in the video. Yeah, so probably I won't be doing that because yeah, just in order to avoid getting banned. But on the other hand, yeah, the video seems to be a bit too valuable. Okay, yeah, that might be fun. Okay, go into Wukong CNC, go into here, okay, play online. So here I just want to say position, start, pause, moves, to get all the moves. And well, I just want to count them. So I'm not going to be checking every in separate. I just want to count the overall numbers. So it should be 44 moves. 44 moves. And here I can say, it's not Stockfish, it's Wukong. Engine.birth. I have an API in my engine. Birth 1. And we have 44 moves! Yeah! Fantastic. Well, hopefully they all should be the same, really. The move order, yeah, the move order is different because the board and the anise is different, so it's not a big deal. We have 2 captures with the cannons. Cannon captures knight in the initial position. Awesome, just awesome. Okay, and just want to try another position. Well, obviously, when perf test comes, it would really go much better, but at the moment it doesn't matter really that much. So yeah. Okay. Sorry, I'm just starting thinking too slow. Oh man, I'm slipping. I'm thinking about the whiskey now. Okay. Yeah, if I show the bottle of whiskey to the camera, it would be treated as a product placement, but that's not. Okay, engine, Wukong.js, debug. Yeah, when I think, so just try not being distracted. Copy, and here I say engine set board and this, and then I want to draw board. So just update the board. This is how it should look like, and I say engine.birthed 1. Number of moves 38. Should be correct. Okay, and now I go in here, so position FEN. Let's have a look. So yeah, I just didn't yet visually compare the position, so now it's time to. Yeah, my console squares almost match the actual board. Okay, so we have rook bishop, advisor, advisor, okay, king, knight, 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 bishop, all the pawns. Here we have white knight, okay, pawn. For you guys, I can just use the Romanized pieces to avoid you getting overwhelmed by the Chinese characters. So pawn, 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 rook, pawn, cannon, red, black, red, cannon, bishop, advisor, all the red pieces, king, advisor, bishop, yeah, bishop. Oh my god, guys, if you could only imagine, if you could only realize how I love this game. I don't know how to play it properly. I really suck as a player, but I love this game so much. Okay, and we have 38 moves, and now the moment of truth will come. So I say position FEN and moves, and oh god, please let there be 38 moves. Copy. I'm not checking everyone because the code is literally the same. Should be what? Nope. Nope. Can be 48 moves. 44. Oh, hold on a sec. Why does still... Hey, I don't get it. I don't get it. No, the position has changed. The moves are different. White to move. Well, for some reason, it seems like the mismatch. Oh, right. That's right, because there might be some moves like rook goes here, and then it would put king into a check. So yeah, I can't really have the same. Yeah, so it's perked. Yeah, it's only the legal moves. This is the legal move list, and this is the pseudo legal move list. It just also does contain the moves that are not legal. So this is fine. We can actually compare them because, yeah, so, but the first one matches, and that's literally enough. Okay, guys, so let me just, hold on a sec, I just take whiskey. Hold on a sec. Oh. Okay, no product placement, okay. Just to show that I do have it. Okay, I was never drinking with my subscribers and with my viewers, so I just want you listen to the sound. Look, you probably don't hear it, right? Okay. Okay, guys. This is the moment of truth. Okay, I don't know, probably this is the very first video on YouTube, the very first programming video where programmer actually drinks after a success. So guys, cheers. Ah, this is so nice. Hello to my Russian subscribers, guys. I know you understand me, even if you don't understand English. Well, okay, guys, so this is it from my side. I will get drunk in a couple of minutes, basically. So don't really want to see you how that happens. So yeah, I just want to thank you. I can already speak. Okay, guys, just thanks for watching. This is it from my side. Until the next time, and take care.